Hi everyone. A very essential chutney in our cuisine. The Khatti Meethi Imli ki chutney can be made with very few basic ingredients, which are these. These ingredients are always available at our homes. I'm making this with a jaggery concoction, which I already have. I always make and store it in the refrigerator so that I can use it whenever as and when I require. For making the tamarind pulp, we'll soak this is around 250 grams of dry tamarind. I'll soak it in very hot water for 15 to 20 minutes so that it softens up completely. Cover and keep this aside for 15 minutes. After that, you can press it down hard with a potato masher, or with the spoon itself you can mix it very well and press it hard so that all the seeds or any other impurities will come out of it. And then with your hands you pulp them, push them down through a sieve, and with addition of 2 or 3 rounds of clean water, obtain a pulp. This pulp is around 500 to 550 grams when you add water and then pulp it out. This is how much we get. Keep we should not be using an iron tawa for this or any other kadai, non-stick also. We should not be, it is not advisable. I have kept a hard anodized kadai in it. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of cooking oil and add, this is gluten free asafoetida which is available in the market these days. I have added it and I am mixing it very well and frying it. The gas is always low to medium throughout the cooking procedure. Add sabut zeera in it, let it fry, and then add tamarind paste. This tamarind paste has to be cooked for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that it thickens up and it changes its color and it is cooked through properly. This is very important for it to keep well in your refrigerator or so that it can be stored for a long period of time. Now this is the jaggery syrup which I had in my fridge. So this addition, the quantity of this is as per your taste and as per your family's preference. After adding this, add rest of the masalas, the salt powder, red chili powder, jeera powder. Saunf can be added. It is as per one's taste, can be added sabut also. And mix all the masalas very well. And be sure that there are no specks of it and everything is cooked through. Add rock salt. Sugar is an important element which should not be skipped because sugar gives that final sweet taste along with the khatta, and the tangy taste which it gives is because of that. This is how it will look once all masalas and everything has been cooked through. So this is around 15 to 20 minutes have elapsed. And after another 10 minutes of cooking it, this has thickened up. It has got a sheen now, a very shiny surface it is looking. And this is how it is coating the back of a spoon. And to check whether it has been done properly, whether the stage where you can store it in the refrigerator, this is how we can check it. That just put it in between your middle and index fingers and pull out, and a single thread will be formed. So that means that the chutney is ready to be taken out of the gas and cooled. After cooling, it has thickened a little bit more. And this is the final khatti meethi, tasty and yummy chutney. On looking at this chutney itself reminds us of so many samosas and kachoris and dahi ballas. My mouth is already watering, so this is that yummy. Once you start licking it and eating it with spoon, you won't stop at it maybe. So please do share this recipe, try out this recipe, and please do subscribe to Gluten Free India. Thank you.